Are you currently struggling with the idea of launching your own product line, but feeling overwhelmed by the complexities of sourcing your product from China? There are so many stories out there, some may be true, some not necessarily true, about buying products from China. From scamming to subpar quality items, receiving the opposite of what the supplier or manufacturer was actually portraying on their website or on their e-commerce platform. Today, I will share some insights and not so secret of a weapon that could save you money, time, and countless headaches. But you need to understand it's not going to be all sunshine and rainbows. In this video, I'll be talking to you about the world of expert product sourcing agents in China. And by the end of this video, you will hopefully know exactly whether hiring one is the right move for your business. Stick around. Welcome to Sourcing De-Lite here. I'll be trying to help turn your business dreams and ideas into actionable steps. I'm Donald, and today I'll be tackling a topic that's a game changer for anyone looking to import products from China, i.e. working with the product sourcing agent. To be honest, it doesn't really matter if you are a seasoned business owner or just starting out. Sourcing products from China can feel like navigating a maze, so to speak. I do believe that with the right guidance and direction, it can also be a golden ticket to scaling your business. So, what exactly is a product sourcing agent, and should you hire one? Let's break it down. So, what is a product sourcing agent? A product sourcing agent is essentially your boots on the ground in any country you would like to purchase or import products from. But in this video today, we will be talking about China, importing products from China. Now, sourcing agents literally act as middlemen or representatives between you and the manufacturers, helping you find the right supplies, negotiate prices, ensure quality control, and handle logistics. Think of them as your personal guide to the complex world of Chinese manufacturing. But before I jump in, let's weigh the pros and cons to see if this is the right move for you, because it all depends. Now, the pros of working with a sourcing agent. Number one, access to reliable supplies. One of the biggest challenges of sourcing from China is finding trustworthy suppliers. A good sourcing agent should already have an established network of vetted manufacturers or suppliers. They know who is reliable, who delivers on time, and who offers the best quality. This alone can save you from making costly mistakes. Number two is time saving. Let me be honest with you, sourcing products is very tedious and it's time consuming. From researching supplies to negotiating contracts, it can take weeks or even months. A good and reliable sourcing agent handles all of these for you so that basically you free up your time to focus on growing your business. Number three is cost savings. Believe it or not, hiring a sourcing agent can actually save you money contrary to popular belief. They know how to negotiate better deals, better prices, avoid hidden fees, and optimize shipping costs. Plus, they can help you avoid costly mistakes like ordering the wrong product or working with a subpar supplier. Number four, quality control. Quality control is very crucial when importing products. A sourcing agent can conduct factory inspections, check product samples, and ensure everything meets your requirements before they are shipped to a destination of your choice. Now, this reduces the risk of receiving defective or substandard goods. Cultural and language barrier navigation. Let's be real, communicating with Chinese suppliers can be tricky, that is to say the least, especially if you don't speak the language or understand the culture. I mean, sure, there are multiple ways to use a tech or translating tools just to communicate, but those are very, very basic. A sourcing agent bridges this gap, ensuring clear communication and smoother transactions. Now, let's take a look at the downside, aka the cons. Number one, cost. While sourcing agents can save you money in the long run, their services are not for free. Most charge a commission or fee, which can eat into your profit margins if you are a small business owner or a startup. It's important to weigh this cost against the potential benefits. Second con is risk of scams. Now, not all sourcing agents are created equal. Unfortunately, there are bad actors out there who may overcharge, work with low quality supplies, or even disappear with your money. This is real. That's why it's crucial to do your due diligence before hiring one. Number 3 on our list will be less control. When you hire a sourcing agent, you're putting a lot of trust in their hands. Some business folks prefer to have full control over every aspect of their business, from supplier selection to quality checks. Now, if that's you work with a sourcing agent, might feel like you're giving up too much control. So you might want to think about that before hiring one. 4, communication challenges. Communication can still be a little bit of a challenge. Time zone differences, language barriers, and misaligned expectations can lead to misunderstandings. It's important to establish very crystal clear communication channels and set expectations upfront. There should not be any misunderstanding when communicating with your sourcing agent. Number 5 will be dependency. Relying too heavily on a sourcing agent can make your business vulnerable. Now, what do I mean by that? If they suddenly stop working with you or make a mistake, it could disrupt your entire supply chain. It's important to stay involved and try to always maintain a backup plan. Now, I know what you may be asking, how do I choose the right sourcing agent? Now, I'm going to lay this down for you crystal clear. Number 1, do your research. Put in some work and look for agents with a proven track record and positive reviews. Secondly, ask for references. A reputable agent should be able to provide references from satisfied clients or customers. If they don't have it, time to walk away. 3, always start small. Test the waters with a little order before committing to a larger order. Always a smart move. 4, communicate clearly. Set expectations upfront and establish clear communication channels. 5th tip will be trust your gut. Now, if anything feels off, do not be afraid to walk away. There are a lot of fish in the ocean or a lot of fish in the sea. You can always find a new supplier. So, should you or should you not work with the product sourcing agents in China? The answer is it depends. It depends on your business needs, your budget, and risk tolerance, to be honest. If you're looking to save time, reduce costs, and navigate the complexities of Chinese manufacturing, a sourcing agent can be an invaluable partner. But it's not without its challenges, just like anything else. So it's important to do your homework and choose wisely. Nobody can do that for you but you. At the end of the day, the goal is to build a business that thrives. And sometimes that means bringing in the right experts to help you along the way. There is nothing wrong with asking for help, just like any other business. You bring the experts, they try to help you get what will make your business thrive. Now, are you ready to take your business to the next level? If this video is of any help to you at all, kindly give it a thumbs up and share with a fellow entrepreneur who's thinking about sourcing products from China. If you're ready to take the dive, drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway or question. I'd love to hear from you. To be honest, I'm always active in the comment section. Drop a question below and I'll do my best to answer you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any actionable tips to grow your business. Until the next video, keep the dream big, but more importantly, take action.